Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach, 30A and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
And today, this one, great condo and beach walk. I can't wait to show everybody.
Absolutely. This little 2-bedroom, cozy spot, great beach getaway, very close to all the shops, sites of 30A.
Walk, bike, whatever you want to do. Let's just go.
Hey there, we're over here in this cozy little condo over at Beachside Villas in the Seagrove area off 30A, super close to the Gulf. You've got just enough space. A cute little kitchen, goes into an open concept living area, and right off the living area as you walk in to this ground floor unit, you have a cozy little back porch, super close again to all that sunshine and a community pool. Let's go see what Heather has to say about the rest of this unit.
Thanks, Britt. Welcome into this main ensuite. Actually, both bedrooms are full ensuites, so you won't have to worry about any mixing of guest spaces or anything like that. You've got plenty of space. It's a nice king-size bed in this perfect little unit. I love how she already mentioned it's ground floor, and it's perfectly cozy and updated and modern, and it's perfect. What we have here at Beachside Villas is you've still got 2 pools, which this unit is actually sitting right between both. So you could have your pick of either one. And you also have tennis courts, pickleball courts, and a beach access straight down there for you or your guests. So this one has it all. It's perfect. So for more information, look in the description below for this beautiful property right here in Santa Rosa Beach and 30A.
Absolutely. Thanks, Heather. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future deals like these on the Emerald Coast.